So hey guys, a popular quote used by chemists all over the world is the question, what on earth is not chemistry? I dare you to think of any form of matter that isn't of value to chemists. You can't, can you? This fact that everything on earth is of value and had relevance to chemists necessitated the development of chemical industries. Also, the quote, necessity is the mother of invention, is not just a cliche. You see, the needs of man drove him to think of innovative ways to better exploit the many gifts of nature in his immediate environment. Now, this exploitation boomed after the Middle Ages, particularly in the early 16th century. Chemists and other scientists had to produce materials like soap, fertilizer, alum, acids, and other basic chemicals to satisfy needs ranging from simple needs like cleaning and subsistence agriculture to complex needs like war machines and constructions. Over time, several chemical industries were developed to better make use of the different raw materials available to us. In the early 18th century, the first industrial revolution began, and it commenced with the manufacture of sulfuric acid in bulk. At that time, bleaching of clothes was done with stale urine or sour milk. Obviously, this was tiring and, of course, a little disgusting. So, scientists like Joshua Ward, John Roebuck, and Samuel Garbe developed different processes for making sulfuric acid from sulfur 4 oxide gas, which thankfully replaced stale urine and sour milk as a primary bleaching agents. Several processes would eventually follow that spurred the growth of many chemical industries. Processes like that used by Charles Tenan in his manufacture of bleaching powder, and the Leblanc process used for manufacturing soda ash, which was an important compound needed in making glass, all played super roles in the growth and development of the chemical industries. From all we have learned about the development of the chemical industry, let's see if we can give a definition. A chemical industry refers to any industry which is involved in the making of different products from raw materials through chemical reactions. With this in mind, we can all agree that the pharmaceutical industry, cement industry, petrochemical industry, oil and gas industry, agrochemical industry, building materials industry, textile industry, and a host of others are all prime examples of chemical industries. In our next lesson, we will be looking at these industries closely, taking specific notes of their raw materials and their major products. Until then, we must remember that our conclusion from this lesson is that a chemical industry is any industry which is involved in the making of different products from raw materials through chemical reactions. See you in the next lesson.